Hi, this is Pete Stein welcoming you to Lexus of Milwaukee. Wanted to show you a few things we're doing to help flatten the curve and make a safe experience for our guests. We're going the extra mile to make sure our customers are safe, clean, and comfortable when they're shopping for a new or used vehicle. We have clean cars daily, as long as our waiting lounge and service department. We're making sure all high-touch areas are wiped down properly, whether it be door handles, armrests, steering wheels, shift knobs, to ensure the safety of our guests. We're staying open for all your servicing needs, whether it be warranty, routine maintenance, or emergency assistance. We're taking a minimal contact approach, whether it be pickup or drop-off services, paying your bill over the phone, or of course our loaner fleet, always ready to go.
We're encouraging our customers to use Zoom, our online sales concierge, just like this. Hey Pete. So we have minimal contact with any interaction to keep our social distancing.
A lot easier than I thought. We're offering at-home delivery to help keep your public exposure low and satisfaction high.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for considering us and trusting us, and we hope to see you soon. We will get through this together.